Hey guys, I got another redneck way to make some cash, zero money down. If you go to this place right here, you can get one of these mowers new with low financing and $0 down and be mowing grass right now today, possibly making $500 a week or more. If you don't have the money to, or the good enough credit to get one of these, there's another way you can do it, which I've done in the past. Is my bank will allow me to withdraw $500 from my checking even if the money's not in there. You have 2 weeks to pay the money back, and there's a $30 fee. It's an overdraft fee. You can take the $500, buy a used lawnmower, and be mowing right now today, making money. This is the way I've done it. I paid cash when I did mine. I didn't get it on financing, but you could finance it as long as your credit's good enough. So this is another good redneck way to make some cash. You could come in here literally today if your credit's good enough and take the mower home today. Now if you don't know how to mow grass, you don't know how to make money mowing grass, there's several YouTube videos to do that, teach you how to do it. They also have trailers too. If you don't have a trailer to haul the lawnmower, you can get a trailer on credit and you could leave with the mower and a trailer today, $0 down, zero money, but you would have to have good credit to do that. What's up guys, these are the trailers I was talking about. It's a 5x8 trailer. It'll haul the mower, it'll do everything you need it to do. You can get this, no money up front too. If your credit's good, you can get the mower and the trailer, and like I said, be mowing that day. Maybe you don't need a trailer, then you can just get the mower, or you can buy a used trailer, but there's tons of options to get this business going with $0 down, guys. So get out there, get some redneck cash. Stay tuned, peace. Alright guys, give it a like, thumbs up, comment, let me know if there's more stuff you'd like to see. There's going to be a lot more redneck ways to make cash, so stay tuned guys. God bless.